What's going on, everybody? So I just want to make a quick video and go over why my haters, why my competition, and why the scammers do not like me. So it's pretty simple. I'm the best, and that's not me bragging. I prove it every day with posting results, and I got more results for y'all today to post. But they're gonna have stuff to say. I literally had a company reach out to me the other day and say, "Man, you got to stop posting so much." And I'm like, "Why?" And he's like, "Because nobody else has enough stuff to post. You're making everybody look bad." And I was kind of rude with him. I said, "Well, that's kind of the point, dude, is to prove to everybody that I'm better than you and everybody else. Because if everybody else was better than me, then they would be posting more results. I mean, right?" And like I said yesterday or the day before, whenever it was, some of these companies have thousands and thousands of clients. I'm in the hundreds. So just imagine if I had thousands of clients like they did. But anyway, I just wanted to share these results with y'all. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.